Double-click the CR Studio to start software and select Turnable mode. Let's start with scanning a small model in Turnable mode, which is about 2 coins tall. Firstly, click Preview. Adjust model position through the screen until the complete image of the model can be seen. Secondly, take down the model, click Initialize, then we can see the Turnable in software turns red. Thirdly, place model on Turnable and click Scan. Okay, let's start scanning now. Scanning complete. Click Process to modify model. After modification complete, right-click Fusion, click Upload, then log into Creality Cloud account. Complete uploading. Now we can go to the Creality Cloud personal homepage to view the uploaded model. Compare the original model with the scanned one.